Hello, welcome back to another episode from Pale Horse Survival and Tactical. I'm Bill. I'm glad you could join me. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to start a fire using a magnifying glass on non-charred natural materials. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. I'm over here in the sun, and this is a little magnifying glass that I carry in my kit or in my truck sometimes. I think I paid less than $1 for this on eBay. It's actually a glass lens, and it folds into this little protective sleeve here. And I went around and foraged up some dried grass for tinder, and hopefully it'll work. The smallest grass is right in here, so see if we can get a coal started at least with this and blow it into flame. Magnifying glass will start charred material. It's a little more challenging to do it with non-charred material, and we'll give it a shot today and see how it does. I've heard of people using a piece of ice that they've molded with their hand, the warmth of their hand, into kind of a convex lens shape, and I hear that some people have had success doing that. People have used a polished spoon, a pot lid. I've even heard of people using a Ziploc baggie with water in it, and I think I even heard of somebody using urine in a Ziploc baggie, and they collect it into the corner of the Ziploc and blow it into flame. Let's see how we do here. Make sure I'm in frame. If we can get this to start smoldering. It's a little more challenging to do it this way. It's good to push yourself. We get smoke. If I get enough of this to start smoldering, I can blow on it. It'll act as its own coal, but so far it's not glowing. Be a little more comfortable here. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Dandelion fluff, cattail down will work good for this too. I don't have either one available right now. Magnifying glass is just another good tool to have. See if we can get it down inside here. See a little bit of an orange glow for just a little bit there. Had a little bit of a glow going there and then it died. Grass may not be good for this. Try breaking these fibers down a little finer. Let's see what we can do here. Well, that's certainly finer. I'm going to lower this camera so it's a little more comfortable for me. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. Camera's up a little too high. It's starting to hurt my back. see what this fine stuff will do here. I turned it over because the fine stuff was going to the bottom. Actually, I'm going to put this in my other hand here. Oh, there's a bunch of fine stuff here. Let's see what we can do with this. It is. There it is. Whew. Well, that worked really good, breaking those fibers down. Nice and fine. That worked actually really well. So there we go, proof that that it can be done with non-charred material. The trick is to break those fibers down so you can get a sustained coal. Just another tip you can put in your survival toolbox. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it for you. It's hot up here. Right in the sun, cooking my backside. I hope all of you are having an outstanding day or night, depending on where you are located. And I want to wave a hand at all my new subscribers. There's been a bunch of you that's come over from Yankee's channel, and Yankee's a really great guy. Really good people there. And but waving a hand at all the new subs. Definitely appreciate your support. And please like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment on the videos. Love to hear from you guys. Any comments or suggestions. And I will see all of you very soon on the next one. Everybody take care. Bye-bye.